Dallas homeowners know that comfort depends heavily on how well your home handles heat, sudden storms, and shifting seasonal temperatures. With long, hot summers and occasional heavy rain, choosing the right windows can make a noticeable difference in both energy efficiency and daily living. Awning windows have become an increasingly popular choice in Dallas, and for good reason. Their practical design, strong ventilation capabilities, and energy-saving features make them an ideal fit for homes throughout the area. Excellent ventilation for hot summers. Dallas summers can be intense, with high temperatures that put strain on cooling systems. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, allowing you to catch and direct breezes into your home. Because they can open fully, awning windows promote strong airflow. When installed strategically, such as across from another open window, they help create natural cross ventilation. This allows fresh air to circulate throughout your home during milder mornings and evenings, potentially reducing reliance on air conditioning. For homeowners looking to improve airflow without sacrificing style, awning windows offer a simple yet effective solution. Ventilation. Even during rain, Texas weather can shift quickly. Sudden rain showers are common, and many homeowners hesitate to leave windows open when clouds roll in. Awning windows solve this problem with their outward tilting design. When open, the glass panel acts like a small shield, helping block rain from entering your home. This means you can enjoy fresh air during light showers without worrying about water damage. In Dallas, where pop-up storms aren't unusual, this feature adds both comfort and convenience. Strong energy efficiency. Keeping cool air inside during Dallas summers is essential. Awning windows are known for their tight compression seal. When closed and locked, the sash presses firmly against the frame, reducing drafts and minimizing air leaks. Modern awning windows also include energy-efficient features such as double pane or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings. Argon gas fills between panes. Insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames together. These features reduce heat transfer and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. The result is improved comfort and potentially lower energy bills. Enhanced security. Security is always a priority for homeowners. Awning windows offer built-in advantages in this area as well. Because they open outward and are often installed higher on walls, they are more difficult to access from the outside. Additionally, modern awning windows feature durable hardware and multi-point locking systems that secure the window tightly when closed. This combination of placement and construction provides peace of mind while still allowing ventilation when needed. Ideal for compact or hard-to-reach spaces, awning windows are extremely versatile. Their compact design makes them perfect for areas where other window styles may not fit, such as bathrooms, kitchens, above sinks, basements, stairwells. The crank mechanism makes them easy to operate, even in tight spaces. This practicality is especially valuable in Dallas homes where maximizing usable space matters. Modern style that complements Dallas architecture. From contemporary builds to traditional brick homes, awning windows complement a wide range of architectural styles found throughout Dallas. Their clean lines and streamlined appearance enhance curb appeal without overpowering the home's design. They also pair beautifully with larger picture windows, adding ventilation while maintaining expansive outdoor views. A smart upgrade for Dallas living. Awning windows combine functionality, efficiency, and style, making them a smart investment for Dallas homeowners. They improve ventilation, support energy savings, enhance security, and adapt well to changing weather conditions. If you're looking for a window option that performs well in Texas heat while adding modern appeal to your home, awning windows offer the ideal balance of comfort and durability.